Hi guys, what is up? For all the students out there, this one is for you. अगर आप इंडिया में स्टूडेंट हो या बाहर जाने की तैयारी कर रहे हो, टेक्निकल फील्ड में हो, मैनेजमेंट में हो, आर्ट्स में हो, basically today we are going to see how to make the best of your LinkedIn profile as a student. Which is not just going to help you clear the confusion कि कौन सी यूनिवर्सिटी और कौन सी कॉलेज को प्रायोरिटाइज करें और चूज करें, but it is also going to help you get one step closer to your dream university and dream college. 3 steps how to best leverage your LinkedIn profile as a student. Without any further delay, let's go. Last video I had shared how not to make your LinkedIn profile. If you haven't checked the video, please check it out. I'll put the link in the description box. So now that your profile is nice, crisp and polished, that's the next 3 steps that I'm going to tell you how to make the best of your LinkedIn to get into your dream university. Step number 1, follow your aspiring universities page. I know अभी ये सुनने के लिए तो काफ़ी कॉमन सेंस लगता है कि हाँ मतलब कहीं जाना है ड्रीम यूनिवर्सिटी, आई ऑब्वियसली फॉलो व्हाट्स हैपनिंग इन द यूनिवर्सिटी, बट आई हैव एक्चुअली सीन अ लॉट ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स नॉट डूइंग दैट. तो माई फर्स्ट टिप हियर इज टू फॉलो दैट यूनिवर्सिटी पेज ऑन LinkedIn. Let me explain this by 2 examples. Let's say for all the students who want to study in India, हम IIM अहमदाबाद का एग्जाम्पल लेते हैं. For all the students who want to study abroad, हार्वर्ड का एग्जाम्पल लेते हैं. Let's go. So इस एक एग्जाम्पल से समझते हैं. Let's say I am writing IIM अहमदाबाद. तो आपको क्या करना है, सबसे पहले ये कंपनीज में जाके फिल्टर करना है and then you will see the pages related to IIM अहमदाबाद. So this is the main page. तो what I'm asking you to do is follow this page. क्योंकि जो भी यूनिवर्सिटी में हो रहा है, लेटेस्ट अपडेट्स, व्हाट्स द कल्चर लाइक, व्हाट्स द स्टूडेंट कम्युनिटी लाइक, आपको ये सब पता चलता रहेगा. एक और टिप ये है कि साइड में आप देखोगे एफिलिएटेड पेजेस, यू विल फाइंड ऑल द पेजेस दैट आर रिलेटेड टू दैट यूनिवर्सिटी. तो आपको कुछ भी इंट्रीगिंग लग रहा है इसमें से, मेक श्योर यू फॉलो देम एज वेल. गोइंग टू सेकेंड एग्जाम्पल, लेट्स चेक हार्वर्ड एग्जाम्पल, हार्वर्ड बिजनेस स्कूल. तो अगेन आपको क्या करना है, आपको कंपनी सिलेक्ट करना है. दिस इज बॉस्टन हार्वर्ड बिजनेस स्कूल. ऑल यू नीड टू डू इज क्लिक, गो टू देयर मेन पेज, फॉलो देम, और आपको इस पेज पे सारी इंफॉर्मेशन मिलेगी. व्हाट इज़ द यूनिवर्सिटी अबाउट, उनका एड्रेस एंड वॉट एवर इज गोइंग ऑन इन द यूनिवर्सिटी. दिस स्टेप इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट इन योर एप्लीकेशन प्रोसेस. पता है क्यों? Because you can learn more about your dream university, what is it like to study at this university, the experience of being a student here. You will definitely pick out some new things that you can add in your SOP. Remember, I have also made a video on how to make the best SOP. The link is in the description box. And as we discussed in SOP, you would need to justify why you are the best fit to that university. And by following such pages, following pages of your university will help you put more connects from your personality to what the student community is like there. And of course ये करने से you can actually find mutual contacts. तो आप पहले ही friends बना सकते हो to all those people who have admit cards before even reaching to the university. Point number 2, dig contacts aka find alumni. गाइस मैं हमेशा बोलती हूँ ना, कोई भी कॉलेज और यूनिवर्सिटी शॉर्टलिस्ट करने से पहले you must get in touch with alumni of the university or the folks who are already studying in the university, because they are the product of university. और उनसे इतने genuine feedbacks मिलेंगे कि what is good about that university, what's not so good about that university, what are the prospects like, what's the student community there. और पता है उनका फीडबैक इज़ एक्चुअली मोर वैल्यूएबल देन एनी करियर कोच फीडबैक फॉर दैट मैटर. क्योंकि कोई करियर कोच उस कॉलेज में नहीं पढ़ा होगा, बट द एलुमनाइज आर स्टडिंग और हैव स्टडीड इन दैट यूनिवर्सिटी. बट अब क्वेश्चन ये है कि उनसे कनेक्ट कैसे करें. Here's a good news for you. LinkedIn पे एक बहुत अमेजिंग फीचर है विच यू कैन लेवरेज एंड कनेक्ट टू एनी एलुमनाई of the dream university that you want. I'll show how. So जैसे हमने देखा था ये IIM अहमदाबाद के पेज पे हम आ गए. अब alumni को कैसे ढूंढना है? You can see these options here. Click on alumni here. अब यहाँ पे इतनी सही चीज़ होगी ना, I'll show. यहाँ पे ना आप एक्चुअली एक टाइम स्पैन डिफाइन कर सकते हो. लेट्स से आई वांट टू फाइंड alumni बिटवीन 2020 to 2022. सिर्फ लास्ट 2 years, recent graduates. तो आई एम गोना पुट हियर 2020. and end year 2022. अब पता है यहाँ पे आपको सारे डेटा मिल जाएंगे. फॉर एग्जाम्पल जो ग्रेजुएट्स लास्ट 2 years में पास आउट हुए हैं, वेयर दे आर वर्किंग मोस्टली, वेयर दे लिव, एज यू कैन सी. और आप अगर यहाँ पे देखोगे शो मोर, you can see the stats of where they have progressed into, what's their role like, what are they skilled at. Plus यहाँ पे एक option है to search any alumni by the company they are working in or any keyword or any title. अब मेरी बहुत अच्छी फ्रेंड है श्वेता अरोरा, who is a graduate of IIM अहमदाबाद. हमने बहुत ही रिसेंटली एक वीडियो साथ में किया था, IIT versus IIM. If you haven't checked it out, I will put the link in the description. I'll show actually how I can trace her. So let's say I type श्वेता अरोरा हियर. तो यहाँ पे यू कैन सी कि 2020 to 2022 में एक ही लड़की है श्वेता अरोरा who has graduated from IIM अहमदाबाद. You can see where she works, YouTube. She's a YouTuber, and there is her profile. It's such an amazing feature, right? You can actually track any alumni based on which company they work for, which year they passed out, and which company they are working for. There's one more way how you can track alumni of your dream university. अब Harvard के example से समझते हैं. Let me put here Harvard University. आपको पता है क्या filter करना है? You have to click people here, and you will get the list of all the current students at Harvard University. See, have a look. So आप इनमें से किसी से भी connect कर सकते हो. हालांकि यहाँ पे एक बहुत important चीज़ याद रहे, this is as good as a cold message because you don't know them. So it's very important how you draft your message to ensure the maximum possibility of you getting a response from them. So guys, stay tuned to the next video क्योंकि next video में मैं share करने वाली हूँ how to create a cold message that people would respond to you. Basically how to get replies when you send a message on LinkedIn. And guys, this is also a proven way to get one step closer to any scholarship that you are aiming for. And I'll give you an example how. Let's say आप JN Tata scholarship, I chose a random scholarship, को target कर रहे हैं. So I'm just gonna put JN Tata here. And people section filtered है. So you will find the list of all those JN Tata scholars in the past. So what you can do is actually check out each of their LinkedIn profile. Check their career trajectory. आपको एक idea आएगा कि कैसे type of students are getting selected for this scholarship. Contact them, ask them how was their journey, what did they do to crack that scholarship. और guys, इन सब प्रोसेस में कोई भी अगर आपको म्यूचुअल फ्रेंड मिले तो प्लीज 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 लेवरेज इट. एंड पॉइंट नंबर 3, कॉन्टैक्ट यूनिवर्सिटी रिक्रूटमेंट स्पेशलिस्ट. दिस वन इज स्पेशली फॉर अब्रॉड यूनिवर्सिटीज. तो इसे समझते हैं. What is exactly यूनिवर्सिटी रिक्रूटमेंट स्पेशलिस्ट? जो भी आप फॉरेन यूनिवर्सिटीज़ में टारगेट करते हो ना, ऑलमोस्ट हर फॉरेन यूनिवर्सिटी की एक इंडिया टीम या इंडिया रिप्रेजेंटेटिव और एन इंडियन एम्बेसडर होता है. Basically, their role is to help Indian students get recruited to take admission into those respective universities. इन्हें बोलते हैं recruitment specialist या student recruiters या regional managers of that university. In fact, my full-time job apart from YouTube is being a recruitment specialist for a UK-based university. तो basically आपको क्या करना है कि you have to contact these specialists on LinkedIn. Ask about scholarships in that universities, ask about entry requirements. Basically, these folks are representing those universities in abroad, in India. So these are your direct contacts, and please make sure that you contact them on LinkedIn and ask for their insights about the university. And again, I can help you how to find these people on LinkedIn. Let's go back to Harvard University example again. So what you have to type is recruitment specialist Harvard. Let's see, what do we find? Yeah, there you go. Someone called Amandeep Kaur is a recruitment specialist at Harvard Business Review. So you can actually get in touch with the person and get to know more about the university. Guys, यहाँ एक बहुत important चीज़ ध्यान रहे, and I'm speaking out of my own experience, that a lot of students approach me to ask about the university details for the UK university that I work for as a recruitment specialist. But honestly, I respond to very few of these messages, wholly and solely for the fact that how that message has been drafted. So you need to make sure that your message is short but professional and sophisticated. And in the next video, I'm going to tell you how exactly you should draft your message to get a response on LinkedIn. So make sure you subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss out any videos coming ahead. I hope this video was helpful. If you like this video, share it with your friends, subscribe to my channel, and I'm going to see you next time. Bye bye.